In this video, I will share with you step by step how to cancel Cineworld membership. So friends, if you want to cancel your membership, let's get started. Go to this website, as you can see here. Before take any action, you should be the purchase. As you can see here, 14 days after purchase, you cannot accept the refundable. After this period, you should be following the steps. Go to conduct ads option. From this query, click on unlimited and then choose your issues. For example, miss it or annul your membership. This is for annul your membership. Write your unlimited card or this one, and then write your first name. For example, this is the first name. Write your surname and then write your email address, choose your postal codes, the subject, write your cancellation membership. From the description, write I want to cancel my membership because because this is highly costly or something like this. Write your reason for cancellation, write your first name, surname, and then click submit your form. And make sure write your email address, your subscription email address to take your reply and in your email, and then you will see cancellation soon possible. Thanks for watching this, guys.